Okay, so let's start recording now. Okay, I just clicked on start button here. Okay, give all this configuration and just click on start. Okay, now our Jmeter is ready to hear, or it's ready to hear on port number 7070. So now whatever operations you perform on 7070, it will keep on start recording. Okay, now if you go to Chrome, this is Chrome page. Okay, so just click on enter. It will launch us to some welcome Mercury Tours web page. Right, now go back to your Jmeter, and we have clearly told that record it in workbench http test script recorder. Okay, that means here. Now I just clicked on enter, I hit the URL, but still there is no recording. Why? Because Google Chrome is not on 7070 port. Okay, I configured Firefox in 7070 port. Now record it here, it will identify. If you go and do anything out of your browser where you configured your proxy, it will not it will not detect. You have to record on the proxy where you have configured your port, which we have done in our previous session. Okay, so now I'll try to give google.com, and okay, so I think let's give submit. Our system has detected unusual traffic from your computer. Okay, so yeah, I just did some navigations, right? Okay, come here and check. Those are recorded. You can see that detected the start google.com page, it recorded. Thereafter it's asking sorry, provide an image, capture redirect, even that is recorded. This is not required for us right now. Let's remove this. Okay, so now we have successfully recorded Google. We just hit the google.com in our browser. The first basic recording step, it recorded. You can stop it now. Okay, I'm just show a single step of recording for you. I stopped at execution and give a proper name for it. Name Google homepage. Right. Okay, so this is a Google homepage, and this is server name, and protocol HTTP method it has used get. Okay, the default everything picked by Jmeter while running. Okay, this is our recorded request for Google homepage, and now I need to put load on this. Okay, let's start with a scratch basic step, navigating to Google homepage. So let's put load on this and see how it works. Right, so I need a step to navigate to Google homepage. I got that with the help of HTTP test script recording. Okay, this is my step which will navigate to homepage. Okay, now I have to put the load on this step so that I can check how many what's the capability of Google homepage login. Okay, with the help of Jmeter. Right, for that first you need to write it in test plan. Okay, whatever you record in workbench, when you run your script, Jmeter will not detect. Okay, so now comes the first and the main important concept of our test plan is thread group. Okay, add and threads user, and you see something called here thread group. Okay, so let's analyze and understand what all thread group actually means, and how with the help of this thread group we can put load on our request. So in real time how it works is, we will record the script, what all navigations will perform everything with the help of test script recorder. Okay, and we will place all our requests in a thread group and put a load on it. Okay, simple and straightforward. Jmeter is a very simple and user friendly tool. Okay, now we have recorded, and now we need to have some thread group to put a load on it. So next session we will understand what is thread group and how to put a load and what are the scenarios Jmeter provides in putting a load on our requests. Okay, so that's it about test script recording. And now one more thing. Now I have stopped the recording, right? Now when you navigate to your Firefox page and click on Google, it says proxy server refused connection. Okay, it will not navigate to Google page. Okay, it says proxy server is refusing. You might be confused. So what had happened? So when you click on start, then only your browser detects your browser will actually behave as proxy server. Okay, when you stop your running from Apache Jmeter, it will not navigate to any page. It says it is refusing connections. For that, to work it normal, again you have to go back, options, select settings, use system proxy settings, so it behaves normally as your application in general internet. So but when you start your recording, again it should be in 7070 port. So what I suggest to you is, whenever you want to record, go and change it to manual proxy setting and then start recording. Okay, once you stopped the recording, thereafter Firefox will no more will give us the web pages. It says simply proxy server is refusing connections. To see your web pages in a normal way, you have to revert back it. If you want to work it, start your proxy server here, record the script, then it will start recording. Okay, just don't confuse and think why it's not working now. To make sure it should work, see that you started your server, recording here. If not, change the port number. But without starting the record, if you set your proxy, it won't work. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, don't confuse, don't be panic, because people come to me saying, I don't know what happened, my proxy server is now refusing connections. It refuses if you stop your recording. Okay, if you start it, okay, now go back and check google.com homepage. It will work. Okay, that's how it made. Okay, so that's it about test script recording, and as I told, in next lecture we will actually start with our test plan and see the step by step features what we have. Thank you.